Hi guys, this is Ankan here from Editech Tips, and in this video I'm gonna show you the Qualcomm 4-port USB hub 2.0 that basically I brought it quite 1 month ago, and I have also unboxed it. As you can see, I have breaked the package in front of delivery boy. So let's unbox this. So here is the cash memo, which is 199 rupees. So let's break the package here. Amazon does a pretty good job in terms of packaging, and I'm really loving the packaging that they provide to their customers. So it's a big thumbs up for Amazon. And let's see this device here. So you can see that it's USB 2.0, and it can transfer data up to 480 Mbps, which is kind of theoretical value. And on the back side you can get some bunch of specifications which you can see while pausing the video. So let's see the device here. I've been using another USB 4-port device, but I was not satisfied with the performance that I got from that, so I brought another one. And this one is very cheap and also providing very good performance, as I have read a lot of reviews from Amazon buyers. So let's see the overview here. Here at the front side you get 3 ports, and at the bottom side you get one extra port. That means you get 4 USB 2.0 port along with the on-off switch, and also get a LED notification light that will let you know whether the device is on or off. And at the side you get one extra charging port. And what this application is like, if you want to connect giant hard drives, that will not work with the normal 5-volt output, then you can extend the voltage level by connecting external charger with it. So it's a pretty good thing. And also we got a 2.0 USB port. So let's connect this device with the computer and let's see how easy it's set up. So let's connect this device with the computer here. So as you can see, the LED light is turned on, and also the computer gives us some feedback so that the driver has been installed. So let's try to connect a USB receiver of the mouse, and the computer also provided a haptic feedback. So as you can see, the mouse is actually working when I move my hands. The mouse is actually working, and we can also connect extra keyboard output, and I will show you that the keyboard is actually working. As you can see, the keyboard is actually working. So you can basically use 4 devices, like extra pen drive and also another hard drive here simultaneously by one USB port, which is very good. And I have been using this device for about 6 months, and after 6 months I am doing this review just because that you guys know that this device is really good in quality. So if you want to buy this, I will put the link in the video description. Definitely go ahead and check out. And the price may be fluctuate, I don't know actually the exact price, but you can get it for about 250 rupees. So yeah, definitely go ahead if you are lacking your USB ports. Like I have the computer who is actually lacking the USB ports, that's why I'm using this 4-port USB hub. So thanks for watching guys. Do like this video if you got any help from that, and also subscribe our channel. So stay tuned. Bye bye.